Hey guys, it is me Obed, and today I will tell you how you can connect your voice AI agents. It can be on Retell AI or any other platform to the make.com, and this automation platform can be replaced by any other automation platform. The concept will be same. You have to understand the concept and then apply it for your own use case and scenarios. For my use case, it is for a restaurant. So I have a lovable dashboard and I want to add orders through my which will be placed by customer to my AI agent, voice AI agent, and that AI agent will post them or will add them into my order dashboard, which is built on this lovable. And how do we do the connection? We are using make.com in between, and basically it will receive the order and then it will post it through the http request to my lovable. So that will be the today's use case, and I will tell you how you can do it. I will create a new workflow so that you understand it from the scratch, and then we will come back to this later. Okay, let's get started. And if you are working on any custom project, you can reach out to email or WhatsApp and we can build things together. Or you can just go to this Calendly link and book a meeting with me personally. Okay, perfect. Now let's see how to do these connections. So I will just go to scenarios and I will create a new one. For the retail, I have my agent here. You can just create a new agent or whatever, but I will just show you this. Okay, now if we see here, I have to click on. So if you didn't see, when you create a new scenario, you have to click on webhooks, because this will be eventually a webhook which will accept something. And next you have to click on custom webhook, because it is obviously a custom one. And then you choose a hook or you add one. So I will recommend to add a new one for every scenario, and then you save it. And then they tell you that make is now listening here. You just send the data whatever you want to send. So what I will do, I will copy this address, because to set this up I have to tell make that hey, this is the data I want to use, so please remember this, right? This is the type of conversation I am doing with make.com right now. So I will copy this address and I will go to my retail, and I will either I can create a new custom function. Let's create a new one. So I will just say place order two. I'm using two just to distinct it between the uh, already created function and this one, so that the naming doesn't get confused. For the description, it will be used to place the order. It doesn't matter, AI is already that much intelligent. So now for the API endpoint, I will be using this make URL of the webhook, and from where you get it from here and you insert it from here, right? And now the JSON schema, right? uh okay, if I go to, by the way, all the codes, all the snippets are available in the description. You just have to go to that link and you can grab this. So if I go to source codes, I have a lot of these, and here is a schema, so I can use that one, right? And this schema, this is like a JSON schema. If you know about JSON, you already know, but if you don't know, JSON is a particular type of data structure which we use, right? So, and it is very optimal and efficient with the function calling. This is eventually a function, right? So we are using that, but you can change the strings, you can change anything, right? So there are three properties of this function, of this schema: order details, phone number, and customer name. Now we have to receive these in make.com. Okay, so yeah, that is it. And if I save, it will get saved, but I will intentionally delete that because I have already the function set up. So I will just change the link there, and basically I will copy it again, and in my place order, because it is pointing out to a different scenario, I will just point out to this one. Yeah, everything will be same. These are the same: order details, phone number, customer name. Update. And now I find it very easy to test, or at least initiate my functions with the chat, rather than I speak it again and again. So I will start a new chat, and remember here, currently at this moment nothing is here, right? No data is here. We are sending data right now. Okay, so welcome to Cheesiest. How can I help you? I will say I want to place an order just like a usual customer would do. Oh, place an order. Name, yes, you can take my name. My name is Obed. Burger. Yeah, Zinger Burger, whatever. One Zinger Burger. Okay, so it has placed the order. It didn't actually placed, but it sent out the data. That is for sure. Now, if we go to make, it says successfully determined. That means the data is here. Now you can see it. How you can check whether the data is not? You can just go to another module, any other module. You can connect your Google Sheet. Now this is the beauty of make, that all the tools are here. You just have to choose, and then drag and drop your data. I will be using http to make a request, and the request will be on a url, obviously. I will just now show you the other uh, scenario, but I just want to show the data. So if we see in the body content, I can use now all of this data, and Retell send you a lot of data, like the transcription, like the call ID, all the tools it used. But what we are interested in is these things, arguments, right? These were the three things, properties in our JSON schema: order details, customer name, and the phone number. So we can use right here. I can just click on this and I can use it here. Obviously the schema, it should be in a particular manner, and you can't just use like a simple string. So now I will show you how you actually use it. So you saw the connection, how we can use. Okay, save changes, whatever. And now I will tell you how you can actually use it in the production. Nope. Where is that? Add order in lovable. So there is the same type of thing I have done. And for the HTTP, this was my Supabase function, which is connected on the lovable. And then I use the body content like this. So I can see all of these details here, and burger, obed, and whatever the phone number. And I have used it in a specific format so that, obviously, HTTP call has to follow a specific format. And that was the JSON schema I will be using. And that's how you connect your make.com with the Retell AI so that it can listen to the data whatever the agent is sending. uh, Now let's see a practical example also. So I will just say uh, change so that it actually place the order, and then I say, hey, I want to place an order. And you can obviously do the RDO test or connect your phone number to it, so that's not a problem. And here, what I would do is I would make it run, wait for new data so that we can see the data is coming here or not. Name is no, what should I do? Raza. Okay. uh One zinger burger. Okay. So we got our data, and if we see the arguments was one zinger burger, this was my phone number. Now you will say like you didn't specify the phone number, but I actually did it in my variables, which are dynamic variables. So I used it in my prompt, and I have a value here just to keep it simple. And the customer name is Raza. And if we see here, we have placed our order as Raza one zinger burger, and this was the phone number. Okay, so I guess you understand the concept. Now, if you understand this with the Retell and make, you can do it with Vapi and Zapier, you can do it with Anyten, you can do it with 11 Labs plus Zapier, 11 Labs plus Anyten, 11 Labs plus make.com. All of these combinations you can use. The concept will be same. Okay, and if you are working on any custom project, you can join either the school community also, and you can post your questions here. If you have any doubts, I will make sure I will respond that ASAP or within 24 hours. So yeah, and obviously you can send the email or the WhatsApp if there is something urgent and you want to build it. Okay, that was it, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Thanks for watching.